So this map is the overall tunnel. This is the west portal, the east portal, and there's an electrical room in nearly the center of the tunnel. All the power is supplied there. There'll be a new rack of lights in the eastbound lane from the portal to the electrical room, and then there'll be a new rack of lights from the east portal going west to the electrical room in the westbound lane. There's about 200 new light fixtures, 15,000 feet of new conduit, and 250,000 feet of wire on this project. These are 50 horse motors. They're from 1964. And we're putting in a new variable frequency drive. It'll make them much more efficient and brand new motors. This area here was the existing panels, and then we'll take and remove all of this other stuff that's right here, and our new electrical gear goes there. And it's tight working conditions. You don't have a lot of room for staging equipment, so everything's parked in nice and tight. And then this enclosure that's wrapped up here is the new battery backup system that gives them 90 minutes of run time with emergency lighting in the new tunnel. So the new racking for the lights and conduit will be hung from two different types of anchors. There's rock anchors into the shotcreted sections. They go 6 feet deep. They're an 1 3/4 hole with a 3/4 inch threaded rod. And then in the concrete lined sections of the tunnel, we have undercut anchors. They're 5 inches deep. There's 2 of them per bracket. Each of those anchors can hold 3,000 pounds. That are working. It shows you which lights are on. The grayed out light fixtures are off right now. You can change directions. And then you can also look at the fans and all the carbon monoxide sensors, energy usage on the fan motors, number of hours run. This is all the network communications equipment. Those are 50 horsepower electric motors running the ventilation fans. 2 each fans. And then we've got new variable frequency drives for each of the fans. They're tied in and monitored by the SCADA system. And I can fire these up for you as well, and you can hear what that is like. So you'll see them. System, UPS system that gives them 90 minutes of runtime. There's 20 deep cycle batteries in here, charged by an inverter. Each direction of lights has a panel similar to this. This is actually the UPS panel. So it's battery backed up, everything that runs out of this panel. And there's 2 more of these, one for each direction of the tunnel. This is the main panel that runs the whole tunnel. It feeds the sub panels. This is the eastbound lighting panel and the transformer that feeds it. And you have the westbound lighting panel and the transformer for it. You've got quite the fancy system of controls in here. Close up of the fixtures. This is a type A fixture, the LED modules that are in it. And this is the smaller, a type C fixture. And all these fixtures have a unique control box in them with the unique ID, and these are proprietary to Nexamera, who does the control system for us. These fixtures here, these are the type N linear fixtures that are hanging in the tunnel.